Okay, Steve, here we are. We're starting it up for the first time. I have it plugged in. I have the conduit going to motor. I have to button up the casing, but I got a waterproof conduit going to the motor. I'm going to zip tie to this portion here, and then I have a waterproof switch here. So here I go. Dexter doesn't like it, but it looks like it works good. Yeah, and it's running nice and smooth. There's a little bit of gum on the end that kind of stuck to my hand, but I'm sure this is going to be wonderful for glass.